Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will complete the subject of parallel and perpendicular lines by solving the ministerial equation. Of course, I will skip all those I solved it in the previous lesson. Question number 24. Find the slope of the line parallel to the line 3x minus y equal 1. Since it is parallel to this line, then they must have the same slope. I'll find the slope of this line. I'll rewrite the equation in the standard form. Then y will be equal to 3x minus 1. Then the slope is 3. Then the slope of the needed line is also 3. Therefore, the right choice is C. Question number 25. Find the slope of the line perpendicular to the line. Perpendicular to the line, then should have the reciprocal, negative reciprocal of this line. I'll find the slope of this line first. 2y equal to x minus 6. Then y equal to 1/2 x minus 6 over 2, 3. The slope is 1/2. Then the slope of the needed line is negative 1 over 1/2 equal to negative 2. Choice number D. Question number 27. Find the slope of the line perpendicular to the line is the same of the previous one. Perpendicular to this line, I'll find the slope of this line. Rewrite the equation. 3y equal to 5x. Then y equal to 5 over 3x. Then the slope is m1 equal to 5 over 3. Then the needed slope is negative 1 over 5 over 3. It is negative 3 over 5. Choice number C. Question number 28. Find the equation of the line passes through the point negative 4, 0 and parallel to the line. Since I have the point, I'll find the slope from the parallel line and substitute in a slope point equation to find the needed equation. Let me find the slope from this equation. Rewrite the equation in the standard form. 3y equal to 2x plus 5. Then y equal to 2 over 3x plus 5 over 3. The slope is 2 over 3. Since the two lines are parallel, it is equal to the slope of the line of the second line. Then the slope with the point, I'll find the equation. Y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. Y minus 0, which is y, equal to slope 2 over 3 times x minus x1 minus 4, it is plus 4. Then the equation will be 2 over 3x plus 8 over 3. 8 over 3. Multiply both sides by 3. Then 3y equal to 2x plus 8. Also, we can rewrite it as 2x minus 3y equal negative 8. 2x minus 3y equal negative 8. Choice B. Question number 29. Find the equation of the line passes through the point negative 2, 1 and parallel to the line 3x plus 2y equal 8 is the same of the previous one. let me find the slope from this line. 2y equal to negative 3x plus 8, then y equal to, divide both sides by 2, negative 3 over 2x, 8 over 2 is 4. Then the slope equal to negative 3 over 2. Then, since the two lines are parallel, it's equal to the slope of the second line. Then y minus y1 1 equal to the slope negative 3 over 2, x minus x1 minus 2 will become plus 2. Simplify this equation. Y equal to negative 3 over 2x minus 6 over 2 plus 1. 6 over 2, it is negative 3. Negative 3 plus 1, it is negative 2. Y equal negative 3 over 2x minus 2. Multiply both sides by 2. Then 2y minus 3 equal to minus 3x minus 4. 2y equal minus 3x minus 4. Then the right choice is 2y plus 3x equal negative 4. I can rewrite this equation as 3x plus 2y equal to negative 4. Question number 31. Find equation of the line passes through the point negative 2, 4 and parallel to the line y minus 1 equals 0. Y minus 1 equals 0. It is y equal 1. The slope of this line is 0 and it is the same slope of the needed equation. Since the needed equation, its slope is 0, then the equation is y equal 4. It is choice number 8. Question number 32. Find the equation of the line passes through the point negative 2, 4 and parallel to the line y equal 5. Y equal 5. It is y plus 5 equals 0. It is y equal negative 5. Y equal negative 5. Its slope is 0. Then the needed equation also is its slope is 0 and the equation is y coordinate. Y equal the y coordinate here. Y equal 4. Choice number D. Question number 34. Find equation of the vertical line with 5 as x-intercept. Vertical line, it means the equation is x equal a number. What is the number? It is x-intercept point. Then x equal 5, it is the right choice. Question number 35. Find the equation of the horizontal line with negative 4 as an y-intercept. Since it is horizontal line, then the equation is y equal a number. What is the number? It is the y-intercept. Y equal negative 4. It is the right choice. Question number 36. Find the equation of the vertical line with 2n as an x-intercept. Vertical line, its equation is x equal the intercept point, x equal 2 is the right choice. Find the equation of the line passes through the point 2, negative 1 and perpendicular to the line. Perpendicular to the line, it has the reciprocal slope. Let me find the slope of this equation. 2y, rewrite it as 2y equal 3x plus 1. Then y equal to, divide both sides by 2, 3 over 2x plus 1 half. Then the slope is 3 over 2. The slope of the needed line is negative 1 over 3 over 2. It is negative 2 over 3. Use the slope with this point to find the equation. Y minus y1 will be plus 1 equal to the slope negative 2 over 3, x minus x1, x minus 2. Multiply both sides by 3, then 3y plus 3 equal to negative 2x plus 4. Rewrite this equation as 3y plus 2x equal to 4 minus 3, 1. Where is the right choice? It is choice B. Question number 39. Find equation of the line passes through the point 2, negative 1 and perpendicular to the line 2x minus 3y equal 5. I'll find the slope from this line, 3y equal to 2x minus 5. Then y equal to 2 over 3x minus 5 over 3. Then the slope of this line is 2 over 3. And the slope of the needed line is negative 1 over 2 over 3. It is negative 3 over 2. I'll use the point with the slope to find the equation of the needed line. Y minus y1 minus minus 1, it's y plus 1, equal to the slope negative 3 over 2 x minus x1 minus 2. Multiply both sides by 2. 2y plus 2 equal to negative 3x plus 6. Simplify this equation. It will be 2y plus 3x minus 4 equal minus 6 plus 2. It is minus 4 equal to 0. Where is the right choice? It is 3x plus 2y minus 4 equals 0. Choice number C. Question number 41. Find equation of the line passes through the point 1, negative 5 and perpendicular to y-axis. Perpendicular to y-axis, it is parallel to x-axis. It is its slope is 0. Since the slope is 0 and passes through the point 1, negative 5, equation is y equal negative 5. It is choice number A. Question number 42. Find equation of the line passes through the point negative 1, 4 and parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis is it is perpendicular with y-axis. Then its slope is 0 also, and passes through a point negative 1, 4. Then it is y equal 4. Choice B. Question number 43. Find the equation of the line passed through the point negative 2, 3 and parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis, it is perpendicular with y-axis. Then its equation is y equal y coordinate here 3. Choice number C. Question number 44. Find the equation of the line passes through the point 3, -2 and parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis, it is perpendicular with axis x-axis. It is x equal a number, x equal x coordinate in the point. It is choice A. Question number 45. The line 7x minus 3y equal 5 not pass through which of the following point? Not pass every point passed through the line should satisfy the equation of the line. Then let me check it one by one. When x2 and y3 should satisfy the equation. 7 times 2, 14. 14 minus 9, it is 5. It is the right choice. It is pass, which we want to find the point not pass. This pass. 7 minus 2 times 2, 3 times 2 over 3 is 2. 7 minus 2, it is 5. It is pass through the point. This point pass through the line, pass through this point. C, 7 times 4, 28. 28 minus 33, it is not 5. It is -5. So this point is not pass through this line. Let me check the last one. 7 times -1 over 7, it is -1. -1 plus 6, it is 5. This point also passed. Then the right choice is C. Question number 46. The line 2x minus 3y equal 4 not pass through which of the following point? The same, the previous one. 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 3, it is not pass. This choice is true. This point not pass. Let me check this one. 2 minus times minus plus 2, it is 4. This point pass through this line. Let me check this one. 2 times 2, 4, also pass. This one, it is 1 plus 3, it is 4, also pass. Then the only point that is not pass through this line, it is 2, -1. The right choice is A. Question number 47. The line 3x minus 5y equal to pass through which point satisfy this equation? Let me see. 3 times 4, 12 minus 5 times 2, 10. 12 minus 10, it is true. This point pass through this line. Let me check the second one. 3 times 2, 6 minus 5 times 4, 6 minus 20, it's minus 14. It's not pass. Let me check C. 3 times 1, 3 minus 5 times minus 1, it's plus 5. 8 not equal to 2. 8 not equal to 2. This point also, it's wrong. Let me check the last one. 3 times -2, it's -6. Minus 5 times 4, 20. It's 26. 26 not equal to 2. Then only the point that passes through this line is 4, 2. It is the right choice, number A. Question number 49. Find the value of A such that the point A1 0, -3, 2, 0 are collinear. Since the points are collinear, then the slope of the first 2 points equal to the slope of the 2 last points. Let me find the slope of the first 2 points, -3, -1 over 0 minus a equal to -4 over -a equal to 4 over a. This is the slope of the line passes through the first 2 points. The slope of the line passes through the last 2 points, 0 minus 3, it is 0 plus 3, 2 minus 0, then the slope is 3 over 2. Since the points are collinear, then the slope of the first 2 points equal to the slope of the last 2 points. Multiply, cross multiply, 3a equal to 8, then a equal to 8 over 3. 8 over 3, it is choice number C. Question number 51. Find the value of t such that these 3 points are collinear. It is the same of the previous question. I'll find the slope of the first 2 points, t minus 1, it is t plus 1 over 0 minus 2 equal to t plus 1 over -2. The slope of the first and last points are 2 minus 1, it is 2 plus 1 over 3 minus 2 equal to 3 over 1 equal to 3. Then, since the points are collinear, the slope should be equal t plus 1 over -2 equal to 3. Then, t plus 1 equal to -6, t equal to -7. It is choice number A. Question number 52. Find the value of A so that the 3 points are collinear. It is the same steps. M1 equal to 1 minus 3, it's 1 plus 3 over A minus 2. Then the slope is 4 over A minus 2. The slope of the first and third point are -2, -7, -3, it's plus 3, 0 minus 2, it's -2. Then it is -4 over -2 equal to 2. Then the slope are equal and it will be 4 equal to 2 times a minus 2. 4 equal to a minus 4. Then 2a equal 8, then a equal 8 over 2, 4. It is choice B. Question number 53. Find the value of B so that the 3 points are collinear. M1 equal to -2 -b over 2 minus 1 equal to -2 minus b over 2 minus 1, 1. The slope of the last 2 points, 0 minus 2, it's 0 plus 2 over -3, -2, it is 2 over -5. Then minus 2 minus b equal to -2 over 5. Cross multiplication, -2 equal to 5 times -2 minus b. Then -2, it will be equal to -10 minus 5b. Then 5b equal to negative 2 plus 10, it is 8, then b, it will be negative 8 over 5. Negative 8 over 5, choice number B. Question number 54, find the value of t so that the 3 points are collinear. Find the slope for the first 2 points, minus 1 minus t over 3 minus 4 equal to minus 1 minus t over negative 1 equal to 1 plus t. Find the slope for the last 2 points. Let me call this m1, m2, then it will be 1 minus 1, it's 1 plus 1, 2 minus 3, it is 2 over negative 1 equal negative 2. Since the points are collinear, then the two slopes are equal. 1 plus t equal to negative 2. Then t equal negative 2, negative 1 equal to negative 3. Choice A. Question number 56. Find the value of b where the line is perpendicular to the line. Since the two lines are perpendicular, then should have the same, should have reciprocal slope. Let me find the slope of the second line. Rewrite this equation in standard form. 2y equal to x plus 1, then y equal to 1 half x plus 1 half. Then the slope of this line is 1 over 2. Since the two lines are perpendicular, then the slope of the second line is negative 1 over 1 over 2, it is negative 2. Then let me write this function in standard form. 2y equal to negative bx plus 2. Then y equal to negative b over 2 plus 1. 2 over 2, 1. Negative 2, negative b over 2x plus 1. Then negative b over 2 equal to the slope negative 2. Then negative b equal to negative 4, b equal 4. Choice number B. Question number 57. Find A where the line is perpendicular to the line. It's the same step of the previous question. Find the slope from the second line. Rewrite this equation in standard form. 5y equal to 2x minus 7. Then y equal to 2 over 5x minus 7 over 5. The slope is 2 over 5 is the coefficient of x here. Then the slope of the other line, since the two lines are perpendicular, is reciprocal, negative reciprocal of this line. It's negative 1 over 2 over 5. It will be negative 5 over 2. Find the slope of this equation. Y equal to ax minus 3. Then a equal to negative 5 over 2. Negative 5 over 2, it is choice D. Question number 58. Find the value of t where the 3 points are collinear. Find the slope for the first 2 points, y2 -1 minus y1 6 over x2 t minus x1 8. Then -7 over t minus 8 is the slope of the first line passing through the first 2 points. Find the slope of the line passing through the first and the last point. I choose the first and the last point since they don't contain t. It is easier. M2 equal to 3 minus 6 over -3 minus 8 equal to 3 minus 6, -3, -3 minus 8, -11, it is 3 over 11. Since the points are collinear, then -7 over t minus 8 equal to 3 over 11. Then -7 times 11, -77 equal to 3 times t minus 8. -77 equal to 3t minus 24. Then 3t equal to -77 plus 24 equal to -3, 5. Then t equal to -53 over 3. -53 over 3 is choice B. Question number 29. Find the value of V where these 3 points are collinear. M1, find the slope for the first 2 points, B minus 7 over -2 minus 0 equal to B minus 7 over -2. The slope of the first and third point is 4 minus 7 over 1 minus 0 equal to -3 over 1 equal to -3. Since the two slopes are equal because the points are collinear, then B minus 7 over -2 equal to -3. Cross multiplication, B minus 7 equal to 6. B equal to 6 plus 7 equal to 13. Choice number B. Question number 60. Find the value of V such that the slope of the line is equal to -1. Let me rewrite this equation in standard form. By equal to -3x plus 1. Then y equal to -3 over b plus 1 over b. -3 over bx plus 1 over b. Here the slope is -3 over b, and since the slope is given by -1, then the value, if b is -3 equal -b, then b it will be 3. Choice number B. Question number 61. Find the value of b when the equation of the line passes through the point 2, 0, 0, 4 and perpendicular to the line x minus by plus 1 equal 0. Since I have 2 points on the line, I can find the equation of the line perpendicular to this line. This point is x-intercept, and this point is y-intercept. I can use xy-intercept form easily. X over x-intercept plus y over y-intercept equal 1. Multiply both sides by 8, then 4x plus 2y equal to 1. Rewrite this equation in standard form. 2y equal to minus 4x plus 1 divided by 2, then y equal to negative 2x plus 1 half. The slope of this equation of this line is negative 2. Since this line is perpendicular with this line, then the multiplication of their slopes are equal to negative 1. Let me find the slope of this equation. Rewrite it in standard form. By equal to x plus 1, then y equal to 1 over bx plus 1 over b. The slope here is 1 over b. The slope of the first line multiply the slope of the second line should be equal to negative 1. Then negative 2 times 1 over b equal to negative 1. Then negative 2 over b equal to negative 1. Then negative 2 equal to negative b. This gives me b equal to 2. B equal to choice number D. Which on the graph which point is on the graph of the line with the slope negative 3 and passes through the point 1, 3. I have the slope and I have the point. I can use slope point form to find the equation of the line. Y minus y1 2 equal to slope negative 3 x minus x1 1. Simplify. Y equal to negative 3x plus 3 plus 2. Y equal to negative 3x plus 5. Then substitute point one by one to find which point is on the line. When y equal 15, x equal 3, negative 3 times 3 plus 5, minus 9 plus 5, it is not satisfied. The second point, when y is 7, x is 4, negative 12 plus 5, it's negative 7, it is not 7, also wrong. The third point, negative 5, x0 plus 5, negative 5 is not equal to 5, also wrong. The last point should be satisfied. 17 equal to negative 3 times negative 4 plus 5, 12 plus 5 equal to 17. This is the right choice. Question number 63. The last question, find the value of a and b where the line 2x equal ay plus 5 passes through the point 1, 3 and perpendicular to the line by minus 1 equal x. Since this line passes through the point, or the point passes since the line passes through the point 1, 3, then the point satisfies the equation of the line. This point satisfies this equation. 2 times 1, the value of x equal to a times y, 3 plus 5. Then 2 equal to 3a plus 5. Move 5 to the left side. 2 minus 5 equal to 3a. Then negative 3 equal to 3a. Then a equal to negative 3 over 3 equal to negative 1. This is the value of a. Since the line is perpendicular to this line, I can find the slope of the first line. Substitute a with negative 1, 2x equal negative y plus 5. Write it in standard form. Y equal to negative 2x plus 5. The slope here is negative 2. Then the slope of this line, let me rewrite it in standard form. By equal to x plus 1 divided by b. Y equal to 1 over bx plus 1 over b. 1 over b times negative 2 should be equal to negative 1 since the two lines are perpendicular. Then negative 2 over b equal to negative 1. This gives me negative 2 equal to negative b. That means b equal to 2. Then b equal 2 and a equal negative 1. Choice number B. See you next lesson.